In this video, we will use the Arduino Uno Q as a single board computer and detect objects using a live camera feed. Let's start with the materials required. A 5V 3A power bank or power adapter, wired or wireless keyboard and mouse, Logitech C270 webcam. We used the C920, but C270 also works perfectly. Zebronics CT81 USB Hub with PD, a monitor with an HDMI cable. Connections. Connect the USB hub to the Arduino Uno Q. Now plug your monitor, HDMI, keyboard, mouse and USB camera into the hub. Connect the 5V 3A power supply to the USB-C PD port of the USB hub. Challenges faced. Initially, the Arduino Uno Q was not detecting any USB devices, no keyboard, no mouse, and even the camera was not working. Only the HDMI display was getting detected. How we fixed it? To solve the power issue, we provided additional power to the Uno Q. We took a USB cable and powered the Arduino Uno Q directly using its 5V and ground pins. Plug the USB cable into laptop to power it up. After around 3 seconds or just when the third Arduino boot animation starts, we powered the USB hub with the 5V 3A adapter. This sequencing finally allowed the keyboard, mouse and camera to work. Now detecting objects on live camera feed. For best performance, it is recommended to run Arduino App Lab directly in Arduino SBC mode and use a local browser on the Arduino itself. This avoids any lag because there is no network delay. But since we needed to record the screen, we used network mode and opened the App Lab from the Windows system. There was some initial lag, but bringing the router close and switching to Wi-Fi 5G fixed it. Now running the example. Open Arduino App Lab. Wait for your Arduino Uno Q to appear as a network connected device. Enter your Linux username and password. Open examples. Detect objects on camera. Click on Run. If you are running App Lab directly on the Uno Q, it will automatically open the browser and load the camera feed at localhost and port number 7000. Since we use a Windows laptop, we open the feed using Arduino IP, then port number 7000. Now simply place any objects in front of the camera. We tested bottle, cup, bowl, phone, keyboard, mouse and even an apple. And it detected all of them perfectly. And that's how you can use the Arduino Uno Q as an SBC and perform real-time object detection using a webcam. Try it out and let me know your results.